Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back. I'm gonna review my first Hermès, which is Hermès Calvi card holder. So it looks like this. Okay, so I've been using this for a few weeks ago. I'm not sure. Okay, so usually this card holder you can actually fit a lot of cards. Macam sekarang ni I have 1, 2, 3,
11 cards, so I can actually letak 11 cards at one side of it.
tengok ni. So it's really like a lot sih. So when you click, still macam okay. Cumanya if I put cash at one side and all cards at one side, you akan nampak like this one is thin, this one is thick. Don't like that. I just click my cash and probably pin macam ni. Okay. And yeah, I'll just put two hobby pinned like that. So one thing that I don't like about this Calvi, bila kita buka, when you open like this way, all your card will be like habis. Semua jatuh. So usually I akan buka macam ni, like this way. Try to open like this way so that your cards won't like macam run away from this pocket. So yeah, I really like this because it's small and handy. It fit dekat all my mini bags, but I suka mini bags kan, I love to wear mini bags. I'll put in my pockets. And yeah, I think that's all for today. My first Hermès Calvi card holder. Bye.